the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Last time on Bill Nye the Science Guy, talked about genes. No, not your blue jeans, but the ones you get from your parents. You get a set from your mom and a set from your dad to make 23 pairs of chromosomes that dictate who you will be and what you do. This week on Bill Nye, we'll talk about the role environment plays on how we develop.
Have you ever wondered why you do the things you do? How come you need glasses? How come you're 5'8" and your sibling is 6'2"? Some of these traits are due to genes. What are genes? Genes are what define your cells to be what they are. A no cell is a no cell because your genes tell it to be. However, genes aren't the only thing that tell us how to be how we are. So, our environment, or the world around us, the world around us, the world around us, the world around us! The world around us also plays a huge role in how we turn out.
For example, plants require the proper environment in order to grow big and strong. Take these two seeds here. One seed gets a proper amount of water, lots of sunlight, to grow into a great, big, healthy tree. Take this other seed here, give it little amounts of water, little amounts of sunlight, it won't be able to reach its full potential. Here we are with the two trees. This tree right here, this one had a great environment, got plenty of sunlight and plenty of water. So as you can tell, it grew up to be pretty big and strong. This tree, on the other hand, did not have a good environment, didn't get enough water, enough sunlight, so it grew up to be pretty tiny and flimsy. The same concept applies to us. If you're raised in the proper environment, we'll grow up to be big and strong, just like this tree.
Twin studies are very useful in telling us how the environment can impact our development.
Why?
Because identical twins have the same genes, which should mean they turn out to be the same person. But sometimes, twins are separated at birth and are raised in different environments. We scientists like to get a hold of them at some point and see how these different environments impacted their development.
Today on the show, we've got Raylee and Taylor, who are identical twins and separated at birth to be raised in different environments. Raylee was raised in a home where she received lots of love and support, and Taylor wasn't. We're going to take a look at the different factors that influenced their development as they grew up. We're supposed to take out trash last night. When? You don't remember a lot of things. Excuse me, you shouldn't be doing that. In Raylee's home, she was raised in a bright and stimulating environment, and her parents gave her plenty of love and attention. In Taylor's home, she was kept in a dark room, and her parents virtually ignored her.
she received lots of attention from her teacher in her studies and had a good group of friends. During Taylor's childhood, she was picked on by her peers and did not receive any attention from her teachers.
Growing up, Raylee was involved in a lot of sports and was given a lot of opportunities to excel. When Taylor's growing up, she became pregnant, and having to take care of her baby at such a young age caused her a lot of stress.